our cleanup hitters, the River Kids, who organized, children are really, really perceptive about the environment. And these kids came together on their own, recognizing that there was a problem here. They've been wonderful activists. So, who wants to join me here?
Hello, my name is Nicole Mader, and I am one of the moms and the founders of River Kids. River Kids started from two 10-year-old girls seeing an article about Rivers Coalition in the Stuart News written by Eve Samples. They set up a lemonade stand that day here in Sewell's Point to help out, and it snowballed from there. Since then, we've had a few successful events and socials, had the Everglades Foundation film our River Kids anthem, voted on and donated funds to several local environmental organizations, and raised awareness with the children of Martin County about all the problems facing our waterways, which fertilizer plays a big part. Now River Kids is officially working with the Rivers Coalition to achieve our mission. I'd like to introduce the two passionate and dedicated founders of River Kids.
Hi, I'm Evie Flaw. And I'm Naya Mader. We are the founders of River Kids. Our mission is to speak out, get involved, and raise awareness, because we believe that kids should have a voice in the future of our rivers. Please vote no to HB 421. Fertilizer makes fish, dolphins, and manatees sick. We don't want a sick river. Think about it. It's our future. Thank you from the River Kids.
Save our river! Save our river!
Save our rivers! Save our rivers! I don't think anybody could say it better than that. What more compelling argument is there than to see these dedicated kids here to fight for what we know is right and what we hope our legislators will also realize is right. So thank you so much for everyone who's able to come here today. And before we all leave, we'd like to take a group picture for the media. So anybody who can hang out, meet by the water, so we'll have a nice lovely backdrop to remind our legislators just what exactly we're trying to protect. Thank you.